And good afternoon. Welcome to the session. Hi, Ojas, Anurag, Radhika, Shruti, Rashmi, Sanket, everyone. Welcome to the session. All right. Hi, Yogesh. So, in today's session, we are going to discuss all the concepts related to time and work from the basics. Okay. All right. Let's begin. So, before I start, I'll introduce myself. My name is Aishwarya, and I've done my master's in maths from University of Delhi. Prior to that, I did my graduation from Miranda House. I've been training students for various management entrances since past 4 years now. Yes, good afternoon, Ojas. Hi, Anshu, Heba, Isha. Welcome to the session, guys. Okay, so at Unacademy for IP Math as well as CAT aspirants, we provide you the Plus subscription. If you go for the Plus subscription, you get all these benefits. You have classes from the top educators of India. All the classes are live sessions. You can get your doubts clarified. You can download the notes after the end of each and every session. Live mock tests and quizzes also happen on the platform. Okay. Now, in the Iconic subscription, you'll be able to get more of one-on-one personal attention from the educator. Okay. Now, these are the prices of Plus subscription. For 2 years, this is 32,800, and for 1 year, this is 22,550. Okay, if you are planning for CAT 2021, you can also opt for 6 months of subscription. All right, 16,400. All right, okay, and you can get 10% off the entire course fee if you use my code AAISH10. All right, let's see. Yes, Anshu, you're asking statistics. The class kab hoga? Okay, I'll plan one soon. Okay, I'll plan a session on statistics also, Anshu. Noted. All right, let's begin. So first of all, let us understand what is work. Okay, so in questions related to time and work, there are certain examples of work which are taken usually in the questions. Building a wall, digging a well, filling a tank, emptying a tank, reading a book, typing letters. All right, these are some examples of work. Okay, and what is rate? Rate is the total work done per unit time. Okay, so in questions related to time and work, we make an assumption. And what is the assumption? That the person who is doing the work or the machine who is doing the work always does the work uniformly. Okay, this is an assumption that we make in all the questions. Means if particular time interval may that person will do, if in 1 minute I read 10 pages of the book, then in 10 minutes I will read 100 pages of the book. So this is the example of uniform work. कोई भी machine, कोई भी person who is working will not increase the amount of work per unit time. So rate is always taken as constant until it is specified something else in the question. All right, I hope this point is clear. Why is rate constant? Okay, yes, hi Harshita, Bishwaru, Satyam, everyone. Okay, I'll tell you, I'll come to that, Anurag. I'll discuss about unit also. So rate here is work done per unit time. So if I give you a book of 100 pages to read, okay, and suppose Harshita, your rate of reading the book is 5 pages per day. Okay, you read 5 pages per day. Can you tell me how many days will you require to finish reading the book? 20. Okay, now let us take Radhika. Suppose Radhika's rate of reading the book is 10 pages per day. Now how many days will she take to complete the entire book? 10 days, right? So this is the point I'm trying to make over here. The rate can be different for two persons, for two machines, rate can be different. If more work is given to a machine or a person, number of days or the time period will increase, but the rate remains constant always. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Now, what is rate? Rate at which a person does a work is constant unless specified in the question. Rate at which a machine does a work is also constant unless it is specified otherwise. Okay, is there any doubt from this slide? Anything? Any doubt in the definition of rate and work? Clear? Okay. So now in questions, you can take work as 1 also, and you can take work as any other number. Okay, this will not affect your question. So we have to select a number for work which will make my calculations easier. Okay, for example, if there is any question in which it is given that rate of person A, B, C is 2, 3 and 4 respectively, then what value you'll take for work? आप वर्क को कोई भी वैल्यू लेके सॉल्व करोगे, योर आंसर विल बी सेम एवरी टाइम. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द अमाउंट हियर? व्हाट कैन यू टेक? यू कैन टेक एलसीएम ऑफ 2, 3, 4. वी कैन टेक 12, सो दैट द नंबर ऑफ डेज जो आपके आएंगे वो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर वैल्यूज आ जाएंगे. सो दिस विल हेल्प यू इन सिंप्लीफाइंग योर कैलकुलेशंस. Even if you take work as 1 and solve the question, you will get the same values. Okay, so please take a number for work which will simplify your calculations. Got it, everyone? Now, what is rate? Rate is work done per unit time. So you can write rate is equal to work upon time. If you increase the work, okay, if we increase the value of work, the value of time will be increased, right? Because rate always remains constant here. Got it, everyone? I hope this is clear. Now, what are the different types of work you can get in the question? So first type is your positive work, or you can take constructive work. Okay, positive work or constructive work. Now, can you give me one example of a positive work? All of you, think of one, any real life example for positive. Filling of a tank. Okay, correct. What else? Yes, Amay, Lakshya, everyone. Yogesh, Ojas, Anurag, Radhika, Shruti, Rashmi, everyone please answer. Sanket. Building of a house. Okay, building a fence, building a wall. Okay, mending a table. All right, these are all examples of positive work. And when your work is constructive, what is the rate? Rate is positive in these cases. Okay, you will take rate as positive always when there is some constructive work happening in the question. What about negative work? Negative work means, for example, give me an example of a negative or destructive work. Think about it, everyone, and give me an example. Emptying a tank. Okay, correct. What else? Okay, all right. Destroying a building. ठीक है. Okay, erasing a paper, something, erasing something. All right, I hope you get the idea of negative work. Okay, everyone, in this case your rate is negative. So negative rate only represents negative work. That's it. All right, I hope this is clear, everyone. Any doubt when rate will be positive and rate will be negative? Okay, now let us take one example. Suppose there was a work of building a wall. A was working on it at his rate. Okay, then B joined him. So now, when two people start working on a job together, their rates are always added. Okay, so if rate of A was A and rate of B was B, if they start working together, their rates are added, A plus B. All right, their rates are added. Now, what about this? Suppose A and B were working together. After some days, after some time, B left the work. Then what will happen to the rates? In this case, their rates will be subtracted. All right, is this point clear to everyone? Yes, done? Okay. Now, so this is, okay, I'll repeat it, Anurag. When two people, if rate of A is A and rate of B is B, if these two people or two machines start working together, what will be their rates? A plus B. उनके rates add हो जाएंगे. A and B is not the time period here. This is the rate. Got it? Their rates will be added. But if suppose A was working and B was working together, so what will be their combined rate? A plus B. Now, if B leaves the work, then what will happen to the rates? It will be subtracted. So A plus B में से आप B को subtract कर दोगे. If A leaves the work, you will subtract A from it. Okay, is this clear, everyone? Now, for example, in this question, A is doing the constructive work. In this scenario, B leaves. That is why we have subtracted the rate of B. Now, let us take a scenario which is often given in the questions. A is building the wall. Okay, A is building the wall at the rate of A. B is destroying the wall, breaking the wall at the rate of B. What will be their combined rate? If they both start working together, what will be their combined rate? Difference, A minus B, correct. Okay, so this is also an example of working together, right? Here A and B are working together, but why we have taken B negative? Because B is doing the negative work of destroying the wall. Understood? When will the rates be positive and negative? Is this point absolutely clear to everyone? Yes, Gaurav, any doubt? Okay, all right. So let us discuss one question now. A and B, why it's minus B? Okay, Gaurav, I'll tell you, because B is doing negative work. दो type का work होता है, we have discussed. Positive work means doing something constructive, like building a wall. Negative means doing something destructive. For example, breaking the wall, breaking the fence. So whenever you have negative work, you take rate negative. That is why इस case में हमने B को minus किया है. Got it? If B was also building the wall, then it will be A plus B. All right, Gaurav, clear? Now, coming to this question, A and B working together can complete a job in 16 days. A alone can complete it in 18 days. Both work together for 4 days and then B leaves. Find the time taken by A to complete the remaining work. Okay. See one thing. See, in this question, A and B start working together and complete it in 16 days. Do we know the rate of A? Read the question, everyone, and can you tell me what will be the rate? Or can you tell me the time taken by A alone to finish the work? Look at this second sentence. It is given, guys. A alone can complete the work in 18 days, right? So time taken by A alone to complete the work is 18 days. Now, if I take the total work as 1, let us take the total work as 1. What will be the rate of A? All of you, please answer. What will be the rate of A? It will be 1 upon 18, correct. Now, look at this. They are working together. Do I know the rate of B? Let us take that time taken by B. Time taken by B is equal to X. Now, can you tell me the rate of B? What is the rate of B? 1 upon X, right? Correct, Shruti. Now, see, they start working together. If they work together, their rates are added. So, what will be the combined rate when they work together? It will be 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon X. And this should be equal to 1 upon 16 because they complete it in 16 days. Right? Please simplify this and give me the value of X from here. What is the value of X you get from here? Everyone, start solving an answer. 72. Okay, let's see. Okay, Lakshya, are you telling me the final answer or the value of X? Yes, final value of X is? Okay. Yes, got the value. What is the value of X you'll get from here? See, 1 upon X will be 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 18. Okay, what will be the LCM 16 and 18? If you take this, 144. You're getting the final value of X. Okay. Okay. LCM. Oh, अच्छा ठीक है. LCM 144 है. This will be 18 minus 16. What is it? 2 upon 144. Okay. So what is the value of X? This will be 72. Okay, x is equal to 72. Fine. So this much time is taken by B to complete the entire work. But now look at the question. Find the time taken by A to complete the remaining work. Okay, so both of them have worked for 4 days. In 4 days, what is the total work? Can you tell me the total work done in 4 days when both were working together? No, Radhika, not 4 into 72. They both are working together, so their combined rate will be taken, right? So total work done will be 4 into 1 upon 16. What is it? 1 upon 4. So when they work together, 1/4 of the work is done. What is the remaining work? What is the remaining work? 3/4. Now this remaining work is done by A alone. Okay, sorry, A alone. And what is the value of rate of A? 1/18. So what is the time taken by A? 3/4 upon 1/18. Okay, please simplify it. This is time taken by A alone. Simplify it. What do you get from here? 13.5 days? Yes, 27/2 days or 13.5 days. Is the question clear, everyone? Yes? All right. Okay. So I'm adding one question. Please answer this. If A can complete a job in 5 days, B can complete the job in 10 days. Same job in 10 days. Okay. Please tell me the total time taken by A and B to complete the job together. Time taken by A and B together. This you need to find out. Please solve. Okay. All right. 31/3, 50/15. Okay. 10/3. Okay. All right. Everyone, please type in your answers. See, what value can you take for total work here? What value can I take for total work in this case? Look at the time, 5 and 10. Total work I can take as 10. So what is the rate of person A? What is the rate of person A? 2. What is the rate of person B? 1. Now we know that when they work together, their rates are added. So combined rate kitna hoga? 2 plus 1. Right? Total work kitna hai? 10. So answer will be 10/3. Okay, is the question clear, everyone? (50/15). See, if you simplify this, you can write divided by 50. 5. You get 10/3 only. You can use the formula as well. Okay. The formula is derived from this only. You can use the formula if you know that. Okay. I hope this is clear. Yes, Radhika, we'll write it like that. Next one. Let's see this question. Before this, let us learn on one concept. If M men can do W work in D days working H hours per day, and small m men can do W work in D days working H hours per day, then this is equal. Okay, number of men into number of days into number of hours worked per day upon the total work is always constant. Okay, let us apply this in a question. Suppose there is some work. Suppose 10 tires have to be made. This is your work. 10 tires have to be made by 20 men. 10 tires have to be made in 20, have to be made by 20 men, okay, in 3 days. And each man every man is working 5 hours per day. All right, this is one case given to you. In another case, you have to find out total number of tires made by 10 men in 5 days working 3 hours per day. All right, solve it. Use this formula and please solve this question, everyone. Yes, hi Nupur, welcome to the session. Try this. 20, okay, let's see. Five, okay, let's see. Fine. Okay, let's see. So for the first case, how many men are there? 20. How many days? 3 days. And number of hours is 5 hours per day. Work is written in the denominator. What is it? 10 tires. Now in this question, I need to determine the value of work, and this will be 10 into 5 into 3. Okay, so, simplify this. What will be the value of work? This will be 10 into 5 into 3 upon 2 into 3 into 5. What is it? 10. Okay, so 10 men working 3 hours per day for 5 days will be able to make 5 tires. All right, I hope this question is clear. Now, on the basis of this, try this question. Okay, try this question. Or if you can do it directly, we can do it that way also. Start solving. 3 men and 4 women can complete a job in 10 days. 24 men, 2 women can complete it in 2 days. Find the time taken by 11 men and 3 women to complete it. Let me know once you're done. I'm giving you 60 seconds more, then we'll discuss. Starting the timer. Yes, done. Four. Okay, let's see. All right, please type in your answers, everyone. Okay, let's see this question. So 3 men, 4 women can complete a job in 10 days. Okay, so men and women are specified separately. So it means that their rates will be different. Okay, so what is the rate of a man? Let us take it as M, or is it given in the question? Not given, right? And let us take rate of a woman as W. All right, this we have taken. Now it is given that 3 men and 4 women can complete a job in 10 days. Okay, so look at this. If one man, the rate of one man is M. So what will be the rate of 3 men? What will be the rate of 3 men? 3M. What will be the rate of 4 women? It will be 4W. And they're combined, this is their rate, right? And they have taken 10 days to complete the job. If I take total work as 1, total work को 1 ले लेते हैं. So can you tell me what will be their combined rate as per the first sentence? 1/10. Correct. Is this statement clear to everyone? First equation. Yes? Yeah, okay, let's move on. Now 24 men. What will be the rate of 24 men? 24M. And 2 women will be 2W. Can complete it in 2 days, right? So it means this is equal to 1/2. All right, so we have this. Find the time taken by 11 men and 3 women to complete it. Okay, so for this I need the rate of men and rate of a woman. M and W का value चाहिए. Will you be able to get the value of M and W on the basis of these two? Yes, solve it. 2 equations हैं, 2 variables हैं. You'll be able to solve it easily. Simplify them and give me the value of M and W. Yes. Good, good. I am good. क्या आ रहा है वैल्यू M का and W का? Everyone. Yes, Baba, then also you're late in the session today. Why so? Anji, give me the value of M and W, everyone. Have you solved it? Multiply the second equation by 2 and see what you get. This will be 48M plus 4W is equal to 1. Right? Now, subtracting these two, equation 1 and equation 2 you have. Equation 2 minus equation 1 gives you 48 minus 3, which is 45M, is equal to 1 minus 1/10, which is equal to 9/10. All right. Now, what is the value of M you get from here? 9/450, which is 1/50. M is 1/50. And if M is 1/50, please tell me what is the value of W. Substitute in one of these equations. 1/100. Okay. So W are 1/100. Now, what do we need to find? When 11 men work together, their rate will be 11M plus 3 women, so 3W. Find this value. 11/50 plus 3/100. What is it? Take the LCM. 100 is there. Divide. This will be 22 plus 3, which is 25 by 100, 1/4. So 11 men and 3 women का combined rate कितना है? What is the combined rate of this? 1/4. So what will be the time taken? 1/1/4, which is equal to 4 days. All right. So answer to this question is 4 days. So I think Rohan answered correctly earlier. Yes, Rohan, your answer was right. Okay. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Any doubts? Yes, आज से CAT का registration start हो गया है. Okay, so please get your documents, all the documents ready. Read the entire brochure that is given. Yes, Radhika, I'll see this. Instead, we can equate the equations by comparing the value of 1 unit. Yes, you can. Okay, Radhika, you can definitely do that. See, these two equations, there are multiple ways to solve them. Our objective is to get the value of M and W. अगर आपका M and W का value ये आ रहा है, then the method is correct. Okay, Radhika? All right. Let's move on. Is there any doubt in this question? Please ask if there is any doubt. Done? Should we move on to the next question? No. Yes, Lakshya, we can do it that way also. You can take LCM and solve using that way also. You're getting 580 by 201. Then I'm sure Radhika, so kuch calculation mistake hai. So Radhika, what you can do is that share your solution with me. Okay, share it once with me. I'll see what is the mistake. Okay. So now pipes and cisterns. So till now we have discussed some questions where machines and men were involved. Okay. Now the questions related to pipes and cisterns are also the part of time and work. Only difference is that in these questions you will get a tap or an outlet instead of a man or a machine. That's it. Filling a tank is considered as a constructive work. So in this case your rate is positive. Emptying a tank is considered as negative work. So in this case your rate will be considered negative. Okay, is this point clear to everyone? When is the rate positive and when is the rate negative in pipes and cisterns questions? Now, in these type of questions, what will be the conditions given? Let's see that. So, it is possible that you have a pipe A, you have a pipe B. Pipe A can fill the tank in 10 hours. Pipe B can fill the tank in 5 hours. Okay, this is the time taken. Can you tell me the total time taken to fill the tank if both the pipes are opened together? Think about this. If both the pipes are opened together, what is the total time taken? Okay, let's see. What will be the total work? Total work क्या होगा इस case में? Total work is 10. Okay. What is the rate of A? 1. What is the rate of B? 2. So combined, since both the taps are open together, they will be added. So 1 plus 2, total work 10, 10 by 3. Correct. Okay. Now let us take a different scenario. Suppose tap A fills the tank in 10 hours. Tap B can empty the tank in 5 hours. What is the total time taken by the tank to get completely filled? This is filling pipe, this is empty. Okay, think about it and answer. What is the rate? Tank capacity, you will have to assume that. Total work आप कोई भी number ले सकते हो लक्ष्य. So think of an easy number in this question. 10 hours. Okay. Acha. Tell me what is the total work you have taken? 10. Okay. Rate of filling of pipe A, 1. Rate of emptying of pipe B. What is the rate of emptying of pipe B? 2 units. But this you will consider -2 because this is a negative work. Got it? So what will be the time taken? Total work upon the rate, which is 10 hours. Okay, so this this tank will be completely filled in 10 hours. Okay, now let us take another thing. So one type of question can be, suppose this is your tank. This is your tank. Now there is a filling pipe at the bottom. Okay, this is the filling pipe. This is filling the tank. Yes, Anurag, I'll see what you're saying is right. ठीक है, ये tank कभी completely fill हो नहीं पाएगा if both are open together because rate of filling is less than rate of emptying. So this won't get filled. But this was just to explain the concept that the rate will be subtracted. For example, मैं filling का rate थोड़ा बढ़ा देती हूँ. Suppose this is 2. Take it as 2. What will be the rate now? 5. So this will be 5 minus 2, 10 by 3 hours. Now this is possible. Yes. Back to this. Suppose this is a tank and there is a filling pipe at the bottom of it. Okay, time cannot be negative. Yes, Shruti, time can't be negative, correct. But rate can be negative. Okay, and we have taken negative rate, not time. All right. So filling pipe is at the bottom. You have emptying pipe here. This pipe empties the tank. It is at this height. Okay. Now, please tell me, in this tank, the water will be filled from the bottom or from the top? The water is entering the tank from the bottom or the top? From the bottom. Right? See. So, when will this emptying pipe work? Let us take, this is pipe A and this is pipe B. Okay, A is your filling pipe. Time taken by A to fill it is 5 hours. Okay, B is your emptying pipe. Time taken by B to empty the pipe is 10 hours. Okay, yes. So now if both the pipes are opened together, emptying also and filling also, okay, but when the water level reaches this height, then only emptying pipe will be working. Right, before it won't be of any use. Am I right? Yes, when level of water reaches the level of this emptying pipe. So this is at the height of, this is 2/3 of the height from the bottom. Okay, ये 2/3 है and ये height 1/3 है. All right. So what will be our approach to solve this question? First of all, we will find the total time taken by pipe A to fill the tank to 2/3 level. Right? 2/3 level तक tank को fill करने के लिए कितना time लगा है? Because for this much work, pipe A is working alone. Consider it as this. We have done the questions when two people are working. So A works alone for 3 days, then B joins him, right? You might have come across these questions. So this way you have to consider this scenario also. Okay. So total work क्या लेना चाहिए हमें? What is total work? Give me any number for it. What should be taken? Think about it, everyone. Yes, hi Chris. Welcome to the session. Yeah, correct, Radhika. It should be a multiple of 3. We can take 15 also, we can take 60, 30, all are correct. Let us take 30. Let us take total work here as 30. So, part of the work done by A alone. Please tell me, part of the work done by A alone will be equal to, what is the work done by A alone here? 20, correct. This will be 2/3 of 30, which is 20. What is the time taken by A? Time taken by A to fill 2/3 of the tank. Please answer the time. 4. See, work done कितना है? 20. What is the rate of A? I need to calculate. Rate of A will be 30 by 5. A का rate कितना होगा? 30 by 5. What is it? 6. Okay. What is the rate of B? This will be 30 by 10, which is 3. So this will be 20 by 6. 10 by 3 hours. Correct. 2/3 से निकालेंगे. Yes, because 2/3 of the height के लिए only A is working. Yes, Anurag, we are finding the time to fill the entire tank, complete tank. Okay, I hope this part of the question is clear. Everyone, please confirm if this is clear. Done? Let's see the next part now. Okay. No, Anshu, is it not clear? Should I repeat this again? Yes, okay. See. All right, so I'll repeat the question for everyone. The question is, this is a tank, okay, and there is an outlet. Okay, एक outlet pipe है which is emptying the tank, which is placed at 2/3 of the height of the tank. You have to find the total time taken to fill the complete tank. Okay, I hope the question is clear. Now, time taken by A to fill the tank alone is 5 hours. Total work we have taken as 30. So rate will be 30 by 5, which is 6. Now, B can empty the tank in 10 hours. Total work is 30. So rate of B will be 30 by 10, that is 3. Okay. Now, till 2/3 of the height. इतने height के लिए A is filling the tank alone. So work done by A will be equal to 2/3 of the total work, which is equal to 20. What will be the time taken by A to fill 20 units? 20 by rate, that is 10 by 3 hours. Now is this clear? Yes, Anshu, clear? Yes? Now, let's move on. So we have this. Now see, for the remaining part of the tank, how much time is remaining? Yes, Lakshya, total work is considered as capacity of the tank. Remaining work kitna hai? Can you tell me? The tank is filled till 2/3 of its height. Ab kitna tank fill karna hai? 1/3. Okay, so this will be 1/3 of total work, that is 10. Correct, 10 units. This is what I have. But for these 10 units, both the pipes are operational. दोनों ही pipes work कर रहे हैं, emptying as well as filling. So can you tell me the time taken to fill these 10 units? Total work is 10. What will be the rate now? What will be the rate? It will be, the rate will be added, right? So एक 6 है, but ये 3 emptying tank है. So this is negative. So 6 minus 3. What is the total value? 10 by 3. Okay, 10 by 3 is the time taken. Okay, so now can you tell me the total time taken to completely fill the tank? Total time taken to fill the tank is 20 by 3 hours. Okay, this 10 by 3 plus this 10 by 3, which gives you 20 by 3 hours. Okay, correct. I hope this question is clear, everyone. All of you give me a thumbs up if this question is clear. This last step. Okay, Lakshya, I'll repeat. Done? Okay. 10 by 3 hours के बाद, ये वाले 10 by 3. See, what is the total time? Time taken to fill 2/3 of the capacity, which is 10 by 3. Time taken to fill 1/3 of the capacity, 10 by 3. So this is 20 by 3 hours. इतने घंटे में पूरा टैंक फिल हो जाएगा. Yes, 6 minus 4. Lakshya, you're asking this. 6 minus 3 वाला. I'll tell you. See, when both the pipes are operational, it means that their rates will be added. Okay, rates को add करते हैं when 2 people or 2 pipes start working together. Lakshya, अब A positive work कर रहा है, so उसका rate भी positive 6 है. But B is doing negative work because B is emptying the tank. So this rate will be minus 3. What is 6 plus minus 3? 3. So that is why I have kept 6 minus 3. Got it, Lakshya? Okay, now let us move on. Okay, so these are the possible conditions that can be given in your question. Okay, we have discussed 2 things. Now let us discuss one more scenario, an interesting one. So now if you have 3 pipes, pipe A, time taken to fill the tank by pipe A alone is 10 hours. Time taken by pipe B to empty the tank, this is emptying pipe, is 2 hours. Time taken by pipe C to fill the tank is 5 hours. What is the total time taken by the tank to get filled if all 3 pipes are opened together? All 3 pipes opened together, find the total time to fill the tank. Fill नहीं होगा. Why? See, the rate of filling is greater than the rate of emptying. नहीं होगा फिर. Let's see. Let us see that. What is the total work we can take? 10. Okay. What is the rate of pipe A? What is the rate of pipe A? 1. What is the rate of pipe B? This is plus 1. What is the rate of pipe B? Minus 5. What is the rate of pipe C? 2 hours. Okay. Now, see, what will be the combined rate? 1 plus 2 minus 5, which is negative. It means the tank will not get filled. Correct answer, all of you. Very good. Correct answers. Okay, understood. Now let's see. Let us change this. Take this as 5. Yes. Take this as 2. Now what? Now, can you fill the tank? And if yes, in how much time can you fill the tank? The rates will also be changed. So rate of A is 1, rate of B will be 2, and rate of C will be 5. Okay. So what is their combined rate? 5 plus 1 minus 2. What is it? 4. So what is the total time taken? 10 by 4. Alright, so 5 by 2, 2.5 hours. Alright, I hope this question is clear, everyone. Should we move on to the questions now? I hope the concepts of pipes and cisterns are clear. Okay, alright. So the first question, 3 pipes. 3 pipes together can empty a full tank in 6 hours. All 3 pipes are opened simultaneously, and after 2 hours, one pipe is closed. A tank is emptied in another 6 hours. Find the time in which the pipe which was closed can empty the tank. If the rate is 0, it means that that pipe is not operational. That pipe is not working, right? Anurag? Rate 0 means nothing is being done. Work ही नहीं हो रहा. Got it? Yes. Now back to the question. Think about this one, everyone. I'm starting the timer now. Okay, so I'll give you options. No, you cannot assume the rate. Okay, but you can assume the total work. Yes, hi Jyoti, Prashant. Please try the question. Okay, so I've already got 2 correct answers. Okay, let us discuss. Okay, so these 3 pipes are emptying pipes or filling pipes as per the first statement. What can you assume? तीनों filling pipes है या emptying pipes है? तीनों emptying pipes है, right? One is outlet. All of them are outlet, right? Emptying means outlets, correct? So there are 3 pipes which can they together can empty a full tank in 6 hours. Let us take the pipes as A, B, C. I have pipe A, pipe B, and pipe C. Okay, rate time in which pipe A can empty is A, time in which pipe B can empty alone is B, and time for C is C. Hours. Got it? Now, what will be the rates? What is the rate of pipe A? What will be the rate of pipe A? 1 upon A. What will be the rate of pipe B? 1 upon B. And rate of pipe C will be 1 upon C. Okay. Now it is given that they can empty in 6 hours. Let us take work as 1. We can take work as 1. Okay. So according to this, their combined rate will be, can you tell me the value of 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C? Yes, you can take it as 12 also. We can do it like that also. आप कोई भी number लोगे, same answer आएगा. Please tell me what will be the value of 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. Yes, what is it? Okay, you want to take the total work as 6 or 12. Okay, I'll take that also and we'll solve it using that also. Okay, वो भी कर लेते हैं. This will be 1 upon 6, right or not? 6 hours given here. So this is 1 upon 6. Next statement. All 3 pipes are opened simultaneously and after 2 hours, 1 pipe is closed. Okay. So guys, tell me one thing. These 3 pipes are opened for 2 hours together. So in 2 hours, what is the work done by them? In 2 hours, what will be the work done by all 3 pipes together? This will be their combined rate is 1 upon 6 and their time given is 2 hours. So this will be 1/3. 1/3 of the 1/3 of the tank will be emptied in 2 hours. Okay. Now let us see. Then after 2 hours, 1 pipe is closed. Let us take that pipe C is closed after 2 hours. Now only 2 pipes are operational, A and B. Now the tank is emptying in another 6 hours. Okay, so can you tell me the remaining work, part of the tank that is remaining to be filled, remaining to be emptied? This will be 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3 units. Okay, 2 by 3 units. Now this 2/3 of the work is done in another 6 hours. What is the time taken? 6 hours. So what should be the rate? It should be 2 by 3 upon 6, which is equal to what? 1 upon 9. Rate is 1 upon 9. Now this value of rate is for which 2 pipes? ये combined rate कौन से 2 pipes का है? A and B. A and B, right? So can I write that 1 upon A plus 1 upon B is equal to 1 upon 9? Is it correct? Everyone please answer. Yes. 1 by 9. So what is the value of 1 by C? You have to find the rate of the third, which is closed. Okay, so you have equation 1, you have equation 2. Use equation 1 and 2 to give me the value of 1 upon C. 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 9. Coming out to be 1 by 18. Okay, so what is the value of C? Time taken by pipe C to empty the tank will be 18. So C is 18 hours. Option D will be the right answer. Is this question clear, everyone? Done? Okay. All right. Now, so you guys were asking is assumption method. Yes. Let's see. Total work को अगर हम 12 ले लेते हैं, 12 या 6. Let us take it as 6. Total work is 6 now. Okay. So 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C will be equal to 6 upon 6. That is 1. Okay. Pipe C is closed. Pipe C is closed. So combined rate of 1 upon A plus 1 upon will be now 2 hours में कितना work हो जाएगा? What will be the rate, or all three का work rate कितना होगा? 1. So in 2 hours, 2 amount of work is done. What is the remaining work? 4 units. 4 units work बचा है. अब ये 4 units of this work is done by these two together. And what is the rate at which this is done? 4 upon 6. That is 2 by 3. Right? Time upon another 6 hours taken, which is 2 by 3. So this is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So what is the value of 1 by C? Subtract these two. 1 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So what is the rate of C? 1 upon 3. What is the time taken? Work upon rate, which is 18 hours. Got it? Saurabh, Lakshya, clear? नहीं आया समझ? See, we have taken total work as 6. Okay. Rate of A, B, C combined will be, they can empty the tank in 6 hours. Okay. Total work you have taken as 6. So work upon time gives you the rate, which is 6 upon 6, 1. Is this part here, Saurabh? Yes. Now it is given pipe C is closed and another, the tank is filled, the tank is emptied by another 2 pipes in 6 hours. Okay. So क्या होगा? 6 hours में empty किया है. Remaining part of the work will be 4. 6 minus 2. After 2 hours, one of the pipe is closed. So remaining part of the work is 4. So time upon rate, 2 by 3, 2/3 of the tank is yet to be filled. Now we have two equations. Subtract them, you will get the value of 1 upon C. Okay, is this clear? 1 by 3 is the value of 1 upon C, but this 1 upon C is the rate. So time कितना होगा? Total work upon the rate, 18 hours. Okay. Next question. All right. So do you want to solve the question of pipes or regular work question? क्या solve करना है? Which question you want to solve? Pipes only. Okay. Work question. ठीक है. Let us for a change. Let us do a work question. Try this, everyone. When they work alone, B needs 25% more time to finish a job than A. If the two finish the job in 13 days in this manner, in how many days can B alone finish the entire job? Start solving. Please mark your answers once you're done. Yes, good afternoon, Dhanshri. Hi, Raju. Please try the question. Done? Okay. Let everyone confirm. 20 seconds more. Okay. So Jyoti and Harshita, correct answers. Great, guys. See, let us discuss this now. When they work alone, B needs 25% more time to finish a job than A does. Okay, more time. Let us take the time taken by A. Time taken by A. What should I take? Please answer. What can I take as time taken by A? Okay, so we'll do this question together now. Anji, please answer. Can I take it as X? 1 day? No. Radhika, for time, Acha, you're saying 1x days. Okay, then it is correct. Let us take it as X days. So what will be the time taken by B? What is the time taken by B? It will be 25% more, means 5x by 4. Right? This will be 5x by 4, 25% more. Right? Clear? Yes, Akshay, what you have written is also 5x by 4 only. Okay, if you simplify this. All right. So we have this. Let us see the next sentence. They too finish the job in 13 days in the following manner. Okay. What can I take as total work? What should I take? Let us take 1 only. Okay. As nothing is given, let us take total work as 1. Now see this. A alone, it's 25% more, means X plus 25% of X. Right, so this will be X plus X by 4, which is 5x by 4. Okay, got it, Akshay? Same thing. Yes, where were we? Yeah, so the job gets completed in 13 days in the following manner. Back to this. A works alone till half of the job is done. Till the half of the job is done. So how much work is done by A alone? For this part, work done by A alone. Total work done by A is, first he has done half of the work, means 1 by 2. Then they work together for 4 days. So for 4 days, A works alone again. So what is the total work done by A in these 4 days? Rate also we can take. Rate of A will be 1 upon X. Rate of B will be 4 upon 5X. Okay, 4X, 4 upon X. Right? 4 into 1 upon X, 4 days, so 4 upon X. Saurabh. Clear, Radhika? Everyone, is it clear? Now let's see this. And finally, B works alone. So this is the total work done by A alone. What is it? 2x. This will be X plus 8. Okay, work done by A alone. Now, yes, any confusion here? Any doubt till here? Yes, Lakshya, please ask. This step again, please. Okay. See, look at this. it is given that A works alone till half job is done. So A has completed half of the work alone. Then for the next 4 days, A and B work together. Means A has also worked for these 4 days. Rate of A is 1. Means in one day in one day work done by A is 1 upon x. So 4 days में कितना होगा? 4 upon x. So this is the work done. Now let us take the work done by B. Total work done by B. What is it? See. Yes, Lakshya, we have to add work done by B also, but that we are solving separately. Okay. All right. Now please answer half of the work done by A alone. Now in 4 days, how much work is done by B in 4 days? 4 into 4 upon 5x. Okay. And finally, B works alone to complete 5% of the job. 5% of the job means, what is the 5% of the job? 5 by 100 into 1. That's it. Please simplify this. This is 16 upon 5x plus 5 by 100, or you can take 1 by 20. Is this point clear? Total work done by A and total work done by B is this. Are these two steps clear, everyone? Please confirm. Okay. Now, what is the total work done by both? Okay, Lakshya, I'll discuss your approach also. Let us simplify this first. What will be the total work done? Work done by A and work done by B. Add them. X plus 8 upon 2x plus this value. 16 upon 5x plus 1 upon 20. And this is equal to the total work, that is 1. Okay, please simplify this and get the value of x. Okay, please simplify this equation, the value of x. No, the value of x. You have this equal to 1, no? So what is the value of final x? What value can I take for the LCM? What is the LCM here? 20x. Okay. So what is it? 10. So 10x plus 80. What will be the LCM here? 4. 16 into 4, 64. And this is x is equal to 1. Okay. So I'm writing it on the next slide. This is 11x plus 80 plus 64. What is it? 144 upon so 9x is 144. What is the value of x from here? 16. Okay. The value of x is 16. And what was x? The time taken by A alone. What is the time taken by B alone? Time taken by B alone. What is it? This will be 5x by 4, which is 5 into 16 by 4, which is 20 days. Okay, so option A is the right answer. All right, is this question clear? Okay, I'll repeat this. हाँ, 25% of 16 आप कर लोगे तो 4 है, right? So 4 plus 16 again, so 20. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, right? Lakshya. Okay, so what we have done in this question, let us understand. The work was done in 3 steps. Half of the work done by A, then for 4 days A and B together, then finally B. Right? The work was done in this manner. आधा work A ने alone किया, then for 4 days A and B both, and then for remaining days B alone. Right? Okay. So what we have done is that taken total work as 1. Then we calculated the total work done by A alone. So for this half, and ये जो जब दोनों ने साथ में वर्क किया, इसमें एक ने कितना वर्क किया होगा? 4 into the rate of A that we have taken. And what is the total work done by B alone? This part plus 4 into the rate of B. अब आप दोनों का वर्क कंबाइन करोगे, so you will get 1. Okay, this way I have solved this question. There are multiple ways to solve this question. आप इसको दूसरे वे से कर सकते हो. See, the job is finished in 13 days. Okay, and A works alone till half of the job is done. So इससे आपको time मिल जाएगा. Okay, total time given is 13 days. A has done half of the job. Rate is 1 upon X. Okay, so using this, you can calculate the rate of A. And then, see, I tell you. What is the rate of A? You have taken it as 1 upon X. For doing half of the work, how much time is taken by A? Half of the work करने में उसे कितना time लगेगा? 1 upon 2 work upon his rate. Okay, then for another 4 days. And finally, B को 5% of the work करने में कितना time लगेगा? Total work will be 1 upon 20 and rate of B is 4 by 5x. This should be equal to 30. This is also a way of solving this question. इससे भी आपको x का value आ जाएगा. Either you equate time or you equate work. Same thing. Got it? Next one. Try this now. Try this question. This is also a good question. Think about this. So this question is similar to that men-women question we have done. Okay, so उसके जैसा ही है. Please try it. Yes. Hi, Mihir. Hi, Anisur. We have just started a question. Please solve it. Okay. Done. All of you have done this question. Yes. Okay. So most of you have answered correctly. That's great. Let's see. So in the question it is given that humans and robots can perform a job but at different efficiencies. Means they have different rate of doing a job. 15 humans. So let us take the rates as different. Let us assume the rates. Rate of a human I am taking as h, and rate of a robot I am taking as r. Okay. So when 15 humans work, rate will be added. So 15h plus 5 robots, so 5 hours. And they take 30 days to finish a job. What is the total work you can assume here? What value you want to take for total work? 30 days is here and this is 60 days. Total work, can I take total work as 30? Sorry, let us take total work as 60. Okay, so can you tell me the total time, combined rate? They take 30 days to finish it. So total work is 60 upon 30. What is it? 2. Okay, so we have got 15h plus 5r is equal to 2. Is this statement clear, this equation, everyone? Yes. Now, 5 humans means 5h plus 15 robots, 15r. Working together takes 60 days to finish it. So what will be the total time, what will be their combined rate? Work upon the time taken, that is 1. Okay, so now you have two equations, two variables. We can solve them. That is why calculation mistake, no worries. So now what I am going to do is that let us multiply this equation by 3. What do you get? 15h plus 45r is equal to 3. So this is equation 2, this is equation 1. Let us subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so 15h will be cancelled out. 45 minus 5, 40r is equal to what? 3 minus 2, 1. What is the value of r you get? 1 upon 40. Okay, r aa gaya 1 upon 40. What is the value of h you will get? Value of h. Simplify everyone and answer. What is it? One upon 480. Okay, so 1 upon 480. Okay, so we have got rate of both human and robot. Now, what is the question asking? In how many days? How many days will 15 humans? So 15h working together without any robot take to finish it. So what will be the combined rate? 15 into 1 upon 480. Okay. What is this equal to? 32. 1 upon 32. Please confirm this. Check this. 1 upon 32. So what is the time? What will be the time taken by them? Their rate is 1 upon 32 we have got. So time taken by them will be second option, 32. Is the question clear, everyone? Yes? Okay. Let's move on. Try this. Anil alone can do a job in 20 days, while Sunil alone can do it in 40 days. Okay, so rates are given for both the people. Anil starts the job, and after 3 days, Sunil joins him, and after a few more days, Bimal joins them, and they together finish the job. If Bimal has done 10% of the job, then in how many days was the job done? Okay, let's see. Everyone, please type in your answers. $14. All right. Should we discuss this question? Okay, 13 Akshay. All right. Should we discuss this question? Yes? Okay. See, Anil can do a job alone in 20 days. Sunil can do it in 40 days. What is the total work? What number I should take for total work here? Please answer. Time given at 20 and 40. So total work should be 40. Correct. I can take total work as 40. So what is the rate of Anil? What is the rate of Anil? 40 upon 20, which is 2. What is the rate of Sunil? Rate of Sunil will be 40 upon 40, that is 1. Correct. Now Anil starts the job and after 3 days Sunil joins him. Okay. Again after a few more days Vimal joins them and they together finish the job. Let us take the time taken to finish the job is X days. Time taken to finish the job. X days or T days, let us take T. Okay, now see, Anil starts the job and after 3 days Sunil join him. Can you tell me the total time period for which Anil has worked on this job? Total number of days for which Anil has worked. Yes, everyone. 3? Just 3. Anil. See, Anil started the job and after 3 days Sunil joins him. So Sunil has joined him after 3 days, but Anil has not left for the entire period. Correct? Anshu, clear? Everyone, Lakshya, Radhika, Yogesh, Rohan, Anurag, everyone in the session. Clear? Okay. See, so Anil has worked for complete T days. And what is the rate of Anil? 2. So what is the work done by Anil in T days? It will be 2 into T. Right? Now let us come to Sunil. Sunil ने कितने दिन work किया है? For how many days has Sunil worked on this job? T minus 3, right? Because he joined after 3 days. So total time for which Sunil has worked is T minus 3. अब आप मुझे बताओ work done by Sunil कितना होगा? Time is T minus 3. What is the rate of Sunil? 1. So this is 1 into T minus 3. So T minus 3. Now the last third person, Bimal. Bimal has worked for how many days? Do I know the time for which Bimal has worked? I don't know that, right? But I know what is the total work done by Bimal. How much of the work is done by Bimal? Not 10 units, Radhika. 10% of the total work, right? So what is 10% of the total work? 4. Okay, and this is equal to the total work 40. So this is 2T plus T minus 3 and this is 4. Right? This will be 4 is equal to 40. Solve it. What do you get? 3T is equal to, this is 1, 41. What is the value of T you get from here? 41 by 3. Okay. What is the value? Acha, minus hoga. Correct. 39 by 3. 39 by 3. So this is 13 days. Okay. So what is the correct answer? Option B. All right. So I hope the question is clear, everyone. So I think if you gave the right answer. Yes, Akshay, correct answer. All right, got it. This question is clear to everyone. See, so whenever you have any such, ma'am, I think I had also done. May you check? Yes, definitely. Lakshya, please share it. Share your solution with me. Share the image. I'll definitely check it. See, I'll tell you one thing. Whenever you have any such type of questions, time and work के ऐसे कोई भी question हो that A is doing the work, B joined after 3 days, C joins after 7 days, या X days. Okay, always make a equation in terms of work. Calculate the total work done by each individual and add them. See, we used this in this question, and the question was so easy to solve, right? For example, this one also, we took this question. Total work done by each individual and add them. Okay, so try to use this approach in time and work questions. This will definitely work for you. Okay, all right. So yeah, now accuracy maintain nahi hota. Anshu, for that you need to work on your practice. Okay, because see, time and work may, if you learn the formula, for example, you guys have learned this formula, xy upon x plus y. If A works for x days, B works for y days, total time to complete is this. But this is used in very basic. Okay, बहुत easy question में use होता है. But ऐसा कोई question आज तक exam में आया है that A works for 2 days, B works for 3 days. Please tell me the total time to complete the work if they work together. This is the easiest question from time and work. Such type of questions do not come in the exam. Okay, so always focus on your concepts, because in arithmetic, if you are able to understand the question properly, okay, then only you will be able to solve it. You should be able to understand the entire scenario given in the question. Okay, so work on this and keep practicing. Practice from different sources, practice from different books. Okay, and come up with your doubts. Whatever doubts you have, you can share your doubts with me. We'll be discussing your doubts also. Okay, so ऐसे करो. All right. Ma'am, once use the harmonic mean for 3 people. Time given is negative work. Sorry, Radhika, I'm not able to understand your comment. Once use the harmonic mean for 3. Acha, harmonic mean, basically you're saying if the numbers are A, B, C, then 2 upon 1 upon, ये होता है harmonic mean. 1 is doing negative. Okay, we have done that question. Pipes में अभी हमने किया ना ये question. 2 pipes are filling, 1 pipe is emptying. Okay, so that depends on the value of the time, value of the rate पे depend करता है. Okay, no need to learn all these formulas. Okay, because these questions are direct. Okay, all right. So I'll see your question, Lakshya. Let's solve this. Okay, acha, you have shared that one. Let me check. Let work be 80 units. Okay, so Anil ka 4 units per day, 20 days tha. Acha, iska ho gaya 40 days, so 2 units per day, correct rate. 10% of the job is 8, correct. So combined 12. From where did you get this 12? Alone. Working for 3 days. Acha, working for 3 days. Anil worked for 3 days alone. So 4 into 3, 12. Correct. 12 plus 10% of the job is 8. 20 is done. Okay. How much work is remaining? 60 units. And this 60 units is done by Anil and Sunil together. Right? 60 units is done by Anil and Sunil together. So together, if they work, they will take 6. Their combined rate will be 6. So what will be the time taken by them? 60 units bacha hai, the remaining work upon their combined rate, that is 10 days. Okay, so you get this 10 and this 3 days, which is equal to 13 days. 13 aa raha hai na, 10 plus 3. How are you getting 14? X is 60, 60 by... But why have you added this 1 day separately? This I'm unable to understand. ये additional आपने add कर दिया ना? This is the mistake. Rest, everything is correct. Okay. 3 days, Anil worked alone. 10 days, they worked together. बिमल का we are not counting because 10% उसका हमने अलग कर दिया है. Okay, so this will be 13. One won't be here. Got it, Lakshya? Clear? All right. So do you guys want to solve one more question? Ready? Okay, so now pipes and cisterns question. Try this. All of you, start solving. Okay, so if you guys also have any doubt from time and work, you can share your questions with me. We'll be discussing, we'll be solving the questions together. Okay, so also I'll tell you today at 7 p.m. I'll be taking a class on CAT previous year questions. Special class hogi at 7 p.m. It will be a 1 hour long class. So you guys can join me then also. Okay. And 4 p.m. पे MAHCT का session है. A lot of you asked for input output session, right? Input and output के questions की class होगी 4 p.m. Telegram link, okay. I'll just attach it. Okay, give me a moment. Till then you solve this question, I'll attach it. So I have shared the link of Telegram. All those who haven't joined yet can join. And see, guys, this is the link of Telegram channel. If you join this, you will get a link to get yourself added in the group chat so that you can send messages also. Okay. Okay, let's see. So Lakshya, you're asking, you were disconnected. So ma'am, that 8 will be included in one day. No, that one day was not necessary. वो include ही नहीं होगा. Where was your question? Yeah. See, your entire solution is correct, Lakshya. Okay, but ये जो 8 है, this is done with ये साथ में ही हो रहा है, जो टोटल डेज हैं उसमें ये 8 वर्क इज इंक्लूडेड. So for this you don't have to add another day. Okay, so therefore 10 plus 3 will be there. This part 1 will not be added. So 13 days is right. Okay. Yes. Radhika, I'll check your answer once. Let's see. Yes, Radhika, it is correct. Okay, let us discuss this now. All right. So a water tank has inlets of two types A and B. All inlets of type A when open bring in the water at the same rate, and all inlets of type B when open bring in the water at same rate. It means that all inlets of type A have same rate and all inlets of type B also have same rate. So let us take rate of inlet A. What can I take this as? X. Okay. Let us take it as A. Okay, this will be easier for us to understand. Now, what is the rate of inlet B? Let us take it as B. Okay, now the empty tank is completely filled in 30 minutes if 10 inlets of type A and 45 inlets of type B are open. So this is also similar to that question we did, men and women question, right? 10 inlets of type A, what will be their complete hours? Sorry, what will be their combined rate of 10 inlets? It will be 10A, right? Of 45 inlets of type B, this will be 45B. Okay, now what is their combined rate? What is the total work? Please answer. What value should I take for total work in this question? 1. See, taking 1, if you take 1, you will be able to solve the question. Okay, but taking 1 won't be a good idea because this will increase my calculation time. Because आपके fractions involve हो जाएंगे 1/30 and all. If you look at this, you have 30 minutes given here. And in the second sentence, 1 hour is given here. That is 60 minutes. So what do you think? What should be your total work? Should I take it as 60? 1 से भी answer आएगा. Okay? Okay. So Radhika will discuss by 1 also. वो भी करेंगे. 60 ले लिया. So what is their combined rate? 60 by 30. That is equal to 2. Got it? Now, next part of the question. 8 inlets of type A. 8A plus 18 of type B are open, so 1 hour. So 60 upon 60, that is equal to 1. So you have two equations. 10A plus 45B is 2 and 8A plus 18B is 1. Okay, now we can get the value of A and B. Please solve them. I can divide this one by 4. Ma'am, this 2 and 1 is time. This is rate. A क्या है? Rate है. B भी rate है. So adding two rates will give me rate. 60 is the total work. 30 is the minutes taken. So work upon time gives me rate. Okay, Lakshya? Clear? Now solve this thing. You have 10A plus 45B is equal to 2. Equation 1. Second equation क्या लेने हैं? इसको हम 4 से divide कर सकते हैं? No, we can divide it by 2. So this is 4A plus 9B is equal to 1/2. Okay. Now let us multiply this by 45. Multiplying this by 45 gives me, what is 45 into 4? 180. A plus, no, multiply it by 5. 5 into 4, 20A plus 45B is 5 upon 2. This is equation 2. Now, subtracting equation 2 by equation 1. What do we get? 10A is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2. What is it? 5 by 2 minus 2 कितना होगा? 1 by 2. Okay, what is the value of A? 1 upon 20. What will be the value of B? Can you tell me? Please solve and tell me the value of B. Yes, Saurabh, I will definitely check it. Share the image. I'll check it. And G, tell me the value of B. Put A in this equation. 4A plus 9B. This will be 4 upon 20, which is 1 upon 5. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. What do you get? Take 10 as the LCM. 5 minus 2, 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 upon 9. 1 upon 30. Right? Everyone is getting these values, 1 by 20 and 1 by 30. Yes or no? Please confirm it once. Okay. So we have this. What is the question asking? In how many minutes will the empty tank get completely filled if 7 inlets of type A means 7A plus how many inlets of type B? 27 inlets of type B are open. Okay. All right. So this is the rate. Added 7 upon 20. 7 by A. So 7 upon 20 and B is 30 plus 27 by 30. Add it. What do you get? Take the LCM as 60. What is it? 21. And this will be 27. Please add it. 48 by 60. Okay, rate आया है 48 by 60. So what will be the time? Time will be total work upon the rate, 48 upon 60. What is it? Or from here only directly we can see total time. ये minutes में है. So 48 minutes. Correct. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Done? Any doubt in this question? Yes. Hi Arjun, Vaibhav. You have shared it. See the pic. Okay, I'll check both of yours solutions. Okay, so Radhika has shared this 2 by 3. Okay. See this. 30 into 10A plus 45B is 8. Okay, okay. जो 1 है आपने उसको equate कर दिया. You get this relationship. After that, 2 by 3 is correct. ये correct आया है आपका एकदम. But after this, what will you do? When you find the total time, अगर आपने total work 1 लिया है, okay, you have to find the value of 7A plus 27B. This is the combined rate. Okay, so 7A मतलब, okay, write B in terms of A. What is B? 2A by 3. Okay, so from here, still whatever you will get, you won't be able to eliminate A. Right, Radhika? So you have to eliminate A somehow. What you can do is that B को आप 2 by 3A substitute कर सकते हो in any one of this equation. Here you can substitute the value. Okay, यहाँ पे आप substitute कर सकते हो. All right. See the question. All right. So this यहाँ पे आके you will be stuck. You have to share it again. मैम इसको फिर से किसी वन केस से कंपैरिजन करके k मिल जाए. Yes, that is what I am saying, गौतम. ठीक है, ये जो वैल्यू आया है, this you have to substitute again in one of the equations to get the value. Okay. Yes, Saurabh, I see yours also. Yeah, so you got 3 by 2. Then so you have done that now. You have substituted this value in another equation. This is correct. Okay, this is correct. Absolutely right. Same correct method. All right, I hope this question is clear. Done. All right, next question. Okay, so guys, this is a good opportunity for you. This is a new test series that is started. Okay, the test happen at 7 p.m. 30 minutes ka test hoga, and you will get 15 questions. So this test series will work on your basics also. Test happen from Monday to Friday, from your vocab, grammar, puzzles, speed maths, very important, and concept booster, and current affairs. So please make sure that you take part in it. Okay, 30 minutes you can take out daily and give this, and also you will get the analysis session also after this. All right. Okay. Yes, 1 minute, one question, doubt. Hanji Radhika, please ask. This is your homework question. Take a note of it. Try to solve this question and share your answers with me on Telegram. Okay, hi, Gracious, ASR, J. We are approaching towards the end of the session now. Okay, anyways, everyone, have you taken the screenshot? Yes, try this question. This is a good question. This is related to the same methods that we have been discussing. Okay, try it and share your solutions with me, everyone. Okay, all right. Yes, Radhika, I hope you're asking your question. All right. So this was the last question of today's session. I hope you guys enjoyed the session, enjoyed solving these questions. And if continuous person adds, what we do? Okay, all right. So that is a different scenario. Okay, उस type के questions को solve करने का भी एक way होता है. All right, I will discuss about this. Okay, I understand your question. Okay, that part I haven't covered in this session. वो एक different type के questions है. That also I'll cover in the next session. Okay, Radhika, I'll take a practice session for arithmetic. I'll cover that topic there. All right. So everyone, today I have a session at 7 p.m. This session will be for quantitative aptitude previous year questions. So you can join me at 7 p.m. Session will be for 1 hour. Also, I have a class at 4 p.m. All the students who are giving MAHCT exam, the questions from input and output will be discussed. Input, output, PYQs. Okay, for MAHCT exam. So please do join me on YouTube at 4 p.m. All right. हाँ जी, सौरभ, alternatively भी हो सकता है, daily भी हो सकता है. वो जो question है. All right. So new batches starting on the Plus platform from 4th of August and 7th of August. I'll also start a new course on geometry from 14th of August. Okay. So you can join the Plus subscription using my code AAISH10. Scholarship test will happen this Sunday. And I have prepared the questions of quantitative aptitude this time, so you can make use of this opportunity. You'll get to solve some good questions of quantitative aptitude, LRDI, and verbal ability. Okay, and if you get a good score in this, you will be able to get scholarship over the Plus subscription course fee. So please make sure that you register for this. Okay, all right. So if you are planning to take the Unacademy Plus subscription for IPMAT or for DUJAT, you can install the Unacademy Learning app, select your goal and click on Get Subscription. After that, you can use my code to get 10% off on the course fee. This code you can also use to unlock special classes and free quizzes also on the platform. Okay. All right. Thank you everyone for attending the session. I'll see you guys at 7 and 4 p.m. now. Okay. Thank you. Be safe, guys. Keep practicing.